And he says, I'm going to die after 3 hours. 3 days, doctor said. अब 2 साल हो गए उस बंदे को पकड़ के बैठा हूँ. Every day I ask him, मैं तो मरा नहीं. And he says, sir, आपने बोला डरे रहो. Good, hold on. Shurve Khan from Orissa, 80% lung failure, no medicines, nothing. Only whatever happens on the campus, outside in the mountains and jungle. 6 months, जिसके 80% lung खराब थे, आज की तारीख में 100% recovered है, without any medicine, and he is a state boxing champion today. You know? Harsh. 5 minutes. Harsh, pancreas, 24-year-old guy from Kanpur. Pancreas, liver, kidney, lung, gone. He can just travel 1,000 kilometers just to be rehabilitation and fit, and I know what to do. One more guy, again from Assam, overnight lost his eyesight. Teen suicide attempt, depression में जाने के बाद में, but today in 3 months he has cleared his UGC NET exam. There is a lady who has been assaulted physically by a gang 12 times, and in person more than 100 physical assaults, 28 fractures from skull to toe, 8 severe suicide attempts, and who never touched her own son just because he is a male. That was the level of trauma. And she used to, dhabe mein batan saaf kiya shabara saaf. Literally you could count her ribs. She was that weak, lost her voice. And she stalked me from different IDs for 730 days exactly. She also landed up in the campus. Today you look at her, she looks nothing less than a model. जब मैंने हिंदी में ठीक से बात नहीं कर पाती थी, she speaks better English than probably many of us who are today in the auditorium. And you are going to see her on the screen. She is going to top 10 in the country and a singing competition. इतनी shades है मेरे पास में as an entrepreneur. अब मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ लोगों को, I'm not a doctor, but doctor का काम कर रहा हूँ. I'm not a teacher, certified, degree नहीं है, but teacher से ज़्यादा काम कर रहा हूँ. No certifications, no degrees, no experience. ठीक है? जो सीखा ग्राउंड में फॉल में 22 साल में उसके कदर में मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. And there are many candidates who have been actually walking along the roadside. कोई बोरी सीख रहा था, but he is a fighter pilot today in Indian Air Force, my student. जो बंदा आप लोग IT students है ना? There is an IT student of mine also. I चेन्नई के अंदर ढाबे में काम कर रहा था. आटा गूंथता था, रोटी गूंथता था. बनियान में आग के ऊपर आटा गूंथता था. Good into and all kind of things, like smoking and all. He landed up one day in the campus. Good. 27 times he had been to SSB and every time he flunked. 28 times he landed up at my place. Today, when I'm talking to you, smoking gone. Physically, damn fat. When he carries himself, best of the influences that I will put to shame, the way he carries himself. Dhabe se journey